All right, so when you want to create a reservation for one of the computer labs, simply just click on the date that you want to add that event to, put in your name, and you can put additional information about what it is you're doing. And from here, you need to edit the event details. So open the event details window, and you'll notice over here next to guests, you can switch to the tab rooms, etc. That will show a listing of all of the resources, computer labs, and mobile carts, etc. that are available for you to use. So if it doesn't show up here, that means it's already used by someone else. But if it's here, then you can just click. I'm going to use the iPod Lab. You'll notice over here, it adds that to it here and adds it to the lab calendar down here. So remember, you're doing this on your calendar, right? It should have your name here as your calendar, and you add that to the calendar that everyone else sees by adding it as a resource. Click Save, and you'll notice over here, it adds that to your calendar here. And if I have the iPod Lab turned on, you'll see it shows up on the iPod Lab calendar as well. So you should see it on both. It should show up twice on your calendar because it puts it on the lab calendar and it is on your personal calendar. Notice if you need to make changes to that, you have to do it on the version that is on your personal calendar. So if I needed to change this, I would go to edit the event details from my calendar, and I could change the date or the time or the type of resource that I'm using if that's what I needed to do. So hopefully that gives you a little refresher on how to add events to the lab calendars.